Hi, welcome to Yacht Video Boat Sales. This Dehler Duetta 94 is for sale in Faro's main boatyard in the Algarve in Portugal. The boat is for sale due to the owner losing interest. It has been here for 3 years now. The boat needs a few bits and pieces doing to it due to the time it's been sat on the hard. Firstly, the keel and the bottom half of the hull will need sanding and re-anti-fouling. The batteries will all need replacing because they have totally discharged, and apart from that, a good polish on the hull to get back the shine. The boat is in very good condition, and I'll take you for a full tour. Just looking at the mast here, built-in mast steps, roller reefing on the genoa or jib. As you can see, very dull the hull, so just needs a good T-cut and polish, and below water, anti-foul all doing. Feathering prop, as you can see there. Spray hood is a little bit dull as well. It's just due to it being sat in the ultraviolet. The engine is a Yacht 20, seawater cooled. These boats are very good reputation. There are some other videos on tests available on YouTube, which you can see how strong they are. This boat is priced to sell. It's over 8,000 euros below normal listing price due to the work that needs doing. The boat comes with a wind pilot or wind vane. The make of it is Wind Pilot Pacific. The value on that alone is over a few thousand euros. Comes with the boat. As you can see, all lines go to the main cockpit, so can be reefed in heavy weather. Netting down all the rails. Tiller steering. Comes with an autopilot. Now I'll take you down below to show you a tour of the inside. It's a very airy and roomy boat, a lot of light. The layout on this boat is stern aft double, forward double, and there's two bunks which easily take a 6-foot person either side. So you can sleep 6, no problem at all. I'll just quickly show you the manufacturer's layout for this. As you can see, aft cabin, then head and galley midships with the saloon slightly forward and a double berth forward of that. Here we have the galley. Double basin sink, sliding lid for the cooker, and there's a fridge. And this is the aft cabin. As you can see, there's a porthole going through into the cockpit to give you some light. Also good for the skipper to keep an eye on the tiller pilot. Lots of built-in cupboards. All the sails are in very good condition, and some very good manufacturers as well, as you can see. The mast is stepped straight down to the actual keel. Now we'll take a look at the head. It's a sliding door. Shower, basin, and this one was fitted with a portable toilet. It's easy to fit a seawater head if you need to. Now going through to the forward cabin. As you can see, very roomy. A couple of lockers overhead. And underneath this bunk we have some storage where the tanks are stored, which I'll show you now. Water tank there, and storage, fenders, whatever you need to put in for long-term storage. And of course the other side opens as well. As you can see, all the woodwork inside is in pristine condition. By the look of the whole boat, I would say it hasn't been used much. Chart table comes with GPS, VHF, and as I said earlier, there's an autopilot with it. I also believe there's a radar alarm indicator. Flooring in lovely condition. There's a radio on the boat as well. And just up front there is a small portable freezer. And behind there is the engine compartment, which I'll show you in a minute. Just take a quick look now at the chart table, and then I'll show you the appliances. This is an alcohol cooker, 2-burner gimbaled. Plenty of storage in the main cockpit to change over to gas if you wish to. And here's the fridge. I would estimate it's about 40 litres. Right, just lifting off the engine compartment cover and show you the engine. Looks like it's been very well looked after. All in pristine condition. I'm sorry I can't tell you the hours on the engine, but by the look of it I would say not many. And there we go. There's the alarm system for the radar, which I told you about. And going back into the cockpit. Remember, there's loads of photographs on the main website with all the full details. And also go to the contact us page and quote the name of the boat or the make of the boat if you have any questions. The boat is available for viewing. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hope to see you again.